Hello everybody, welcome back to Design Mechanic. Hope all are doing good. Today we are going to make this beautiful part model in Solidworks 2016. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe guys and click on the bell icon next to it. By doing so, you will get notified each and every time when I upload a new video. With further no ado, let's get into the video. Let's begin with changing the units from custom to mmgs. Select top line, click on sketch. Now from sketch, select center rectangle, place the point and drag outward. Now choose smart dimension, give the value as 350 and here give it as 1000. Okay, now features, extrude boss base and give this as 50 and give it as mid plane. Click on OK. Now choose this face, sketch, choose spline from sketch and place first point over here, second point and third point. Okay, make this point vertical to this point. Okay, give the value from here, it's 400 and make this point from here 200 and from this point to this point horizontally it's 40. Now let us offset this line, give the value as 50 and check on this reverse, click on OK. Now select line, draw a line over here and enter to retain the line, tool again, so click on this point and make a line. Okay, now select trim and trim out unwanted line. Okay, now here we can see a blue line, so it's not defined, so let us make it defined by making it collinear so it becomes fully defined, fully constrained. So now choose 3-point arc and place first point, second point and third point. Okay, enter to retain it, first point, second point and third point. Okay, fine, and make these two center points merge. Okay, okay, 50 and make these two vertical and choose line and draw a line over here and the other from the point to at the end. Okay, choose smart dimension. Give it as 350. Okay, now make this to tangent. It's already tangent. And now let us give this value as 130. Okay, fine. Now go to features, extrude boss base, select both the contours. Now go to direction and select up to surface. Click on this face. Okay, fine. Okay, let us choose this face, sketch. Now choose spline, place first point, second point, third point, and the fourth point. Okay, let us make this as tangent. Okay, now let us dimension it. The thing is, from this point to the origin, let's give 350, and from this point to the origin, let's give it as 400. And from this to this horizontally 210, and from this point to this point 260. Okay, now go to surface. Here we are going to use surface, or you can do extrude cut. We are not going to do it because we try to learn new tool today. So let's use surface here, extrude surface, and flip the direction. Okay, let's keep it as 60 or 70, doesn't matter. We just need to cut the upper part. Click on OK. We're gonna cut this part by using this face, so it's not enough, I think. Let's go back to edit feature. Let's extrude some more. Okay, now choose cut with surface over here. From surface, choose this surface. Okay, and the direction you have to choose outward, so that it removes the outer surface. Click on OK. Now you can see the outer surface is removed, and the surface still remains. So what we will do is just hide it. Okay, now let's choose fillet and just choose this edge and this edge and this one and this one. Okay, and give it as 50. Okay, fine. Okay, now okay, let's choose front plane sketch, choose center rectangle from sketch, place first point, and place the other point. Okay, now give dimension as 250. Okay, and the width is 50. And now from this line to the select a line, it's about 70. Okay, now from this to this point, it is also about 70. Okay, now it's fully constrained. I think this 70 is going to hit over here, I think. So let's give it as 30. Okay, fine. Now select linear sketch pattern. Select entities for pattern. No, before that we will give some fillet over here. Okay, let's give it as 10. Doesn't matter. Okay, fine. Now let's choose a linear sketch pattern and select the entities to pattern. Okay, fine. And the down. Okay, and let's give it as 8. And spacing should be given give it as 8 and do it. Okay, fine. Click on OK. And now it's not fully defined, so what we will do is click on this line and the constraint line and make it collinear. So now you can see it's all fully constrained. So now features, extrude cut, and up to surface. Let's do something. Okay, wow. Okay, fine. Now let us choose this face. Click on sketch. As we did here, let us do it over on the seat. Place the point, other point, and give this value as 250, and over here it's 50, and from this point to this point it's 70, and from here to not here, sorry, let's give it from here 130. Okay, fine. Now let's give fillet. Okay, choose linear sketch, give it as 8. Sorry, select the entities. Okay, fine. Select this fillets, lines, everything that needs to be patterned. So let's do it. One more. Yeah, okay, fine. Click on OK, as we did for the before a pattern. Let's make it collinear so that you can see it's fully constrained. Features, extrude cut. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Now it's fully completed, and let us give some appearance to it. Go to appearance. I will show from where you have to take this. Okay, click on this appearance and appearance or color, and go to organic, then select wood. Okay, just select wood and choose some wood from here. Let us choose this rosewood polished, and let us drag to the part. Okay, fine. Now it's fully completed with appearance. Hope you enjoyed my video. See you in the next video.